minus position vector of q, change the signs, minus 3b minus 2c, minus 8 plus 2, 13 minus 3 minus 2c. Take 2 common, minus 3a plus 5b minus c. So 2 times qr vector. Qr vector is 2 times pq vector. Therefore, pq and qr are collinear vectors, but q is the common point. Therefore, pqr are collinear. Now next one. Show that the points A, B, C with position vectors 2A plus 3B plus 5C, point B with position vector A plus 2B plus 3C, C with position vector 7A minus C are collinear. We have to show that A, B, C are collinear. Find AB vector, position vector of B minus position vector of A minus 2A, 2 minus 3, 3 minus 5. Now BC, position vector of C minus position vector of B, 7 minus 1 minus 2B minus 4C. Take 2 common, (3a) vector minus b vector, here we have negative 2a, so it will become 3a vector. So 2 times ab vector. Therefore, AB and BC are collinear, are parallel vectors. Since B is the common point, therefore point A, B and C are collinear. Now next one. If the points with the position vector 60 I cap plus 3 j cap, 40 I cap minus 8 j cap, A I cap minus 52 j cap are collinear, find the value of A. Let these are the point A, B, C. Since these are collinear, therefore AB and BC vector, AB is equals to lambda into BC vector. For any scalar lambda, AB vector, position vector of B minus position vector of A, lambda times BC vector C vector minus position vector of B, minus 20 I cap minus 11 j cap, A minus 40 I cap minus 44 j cap, minus 20 plus lambda into minus lambda into A minus 40 I cap minus j cap 11 minus 44 lambda is equals to 0 vector. Now I vector and j vector, these are I cap and j cap are non-collinear. Therefore minus 20 minus lambda A minus 40 is equals to 0. 11 is equals to 44 lambda. So we get the value of lambda as 1 by 4. Now put this value of lambda here. Minus 1 by 4, a minus 40. Minus 80 plus 40. So we get the value of a as minus 40. If A vector, B vector are two non-collinear vectors, show that the points having position vectors L1A plus M1B, L2A plus M2B, L3A vector plus M3B vector are collinear if 1 L1 L2 L3 M1 M2 M3 determinant of this is equal to 0. If given vectors are collinear vectors, then there exist scalars x, y and z such that x into L1A plus M1B, y into L2A plus M2B plus z into L3A plus M3B vector is equals to 0 vector. From here we get L1x plus L2y plus L3z A vector plus M1x plus M2y plus M3z B vector is equals to 0 vector, where x plus y plus z is equals to 0, where x plus y plus z is equals to 0. Thus we have M1x plus M2y plus M3z 0. Solve these two equations by cross multiplication method, which we have done in class 10. X upon y upon z upon is equals to some constant value, say lambda. X upon L2 M3 minus L3 M2. Y upon L3 M1 minus L1 M3, Z upon L1 M2 minus L2 M1. We can do this by using 2 3 1 2. सेकंड को थर्ड से, माइनस थर्ड को सेकंड से, देन थर्ड को फर्स्ट से, माइनस फर्स्ट को थर्ड से, देन 1 2 फर्स्ट को सेकंड से, माइनस सेकंड को 1 से. Then we can solve this by using this. So x is equals to lambda into L2 M3 minus L3 M2. Y is equals to lambda into L3 M1 minus L1 M3. And Z is equals to lambda into L1 M2 minus L2 M1. Therefore, substituting the value of x, y and z in equation this, is equals to 0, that is L1, L2, L3, M1, M2, M3 is equals to 0. Note it down. Now the next one, questions are about coplanarity. कोप्लेनर वेक्टर्स के बारे में हमने पढ़ा था, उसके रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन करेंगे. Show that the vectors a vector minus 2b vector plus 3c vector, a vector minus 3b plus 5c minus 2a plus 3b minus 4c are coplanar where a, b, c are non-coplanar. We know that three vectors are coplanar if any one of the vector can be expressed as linear combination of other two vectors. So let this vector is equals to a minus 2b plus 3c vector is equals to x into plus y into from here we get x minus 2y a vector minus 3x plus 3y b vector 5x minus 4y c vector. Since these are equal, so equate the components of same term. So x minus 2y is equals to 1, minus 3x plus 3y is equals to minus 2, 5x minus 4y is equals to 3. Now solve these equations, multiply this by 3, minus 3x plus 3y. So we get the value of y as minus 1 by 3. Put the value of y in equation this, x minus plus. So x is 1 by 3. Now check these values by putting this in this equation. X is 1 by 3, y is minus 1 by 3. 5 by 3 minus plus 4 by 3, 9 by 3, 3. Left hand side में x और y की वैल्यू पुट करने पर we get the value that is in the right hand side. So these values of x and y satisfies the third equation. Therefore, the given vectors are coplanar. Therefore, the given vectors are coplanar. Show that the vectors 2a vector minus b plus 3c vector, a vector plus b minus 2c vector, a vector plus b vector minus 3c vector are non-coplanar vectors. Let, if possible, that these vectors are coplanar. If these are coplanar vectors, then we can write one vector as the combination of sum of two vectors, linear combination of other two. 2a vector minus b plus 3c vector, x into a plus b minus 2c plus y into, where x and y are scalar quantities, x minus 1, x minus y a vector, x plus y a vector, x plus y b vector, minus 2x minus 3y c vector. Now equate the terms. X plus y is equals to 2, x plus y is equals to minus 1, minus 2x minus 3y is equals to 3. Solve these equations. Multiply this by 2, 2x plus 2y is equals to 4, minus 2x minus 3y. So we get the value of y as minus 7. Put this value of y, so x is 2 plus 7, 9. Put the value of x and y in this equation, x is 9, y is minus 7. 9 minus 7 is 2, that is not equals to minus 1. Therefore, these vectors are non-coplanar. Because value of x and y is not satisfying the third equation, therefore these vectors are non-coplanar. Prove that the 4 points 2a vector plus 3b vector minus c vector, a vector minus 2b plus 3c, 3a vector plus 4b vector minus 2c vector, a vector minus 6b plus 6c vector are coplanar. Let the given points be P, Q, R and S. These points are coplanar if the vectors P, Q, PR and PS are coplanar. These points are coplanar if these vectors are coplanar. Let us suppose these vectors are coplanar, then we can write PQ vector as x into PR vector plus y into PS vector. First we have to find the value of these vectors. PQ vector, position vector of Q minus P, A minus 2A, minus 2 minus 3 minus 5, plus 3 minus minus plus 4C. Now PR, R vector minus P, 3A minus 2A, 4 minus 3 minus 2 plus 1, PS, A minus 2A minus 6 minus 3, 6 minus minus plus 7. Now put the value of PQ, PR and PS. X into PR, A vector plus B vector minus C vector, y into PS minus A minus 9B plus 7 C vector. Now equate the like terms. X minus y A vector, x minus 9y B vector, minus x plus 7y C vector. Now equate the like components. X minus y minus 1, x minus 9y minus 5, minus x plus 7y is equals to 4. Now solve this equation. X minus y is minus 1. Subtract minus 9 plus 1, minus 5 plus 1. So we get y 4 by 8, that is 1 by 2. Put the value of y here. Minus 1 plus half. X is minus 1 by 2 and y is 1 by 2. Now put these values of x and y here. X is minus half, y is 1 by 2. 7 plus 1, 8 by 2, that is 4, that is equals to right hand side. So PQ, PR and PS are coplanar vectors. Therefore the points P, Q, R and S are coplanar. Now next one. If A vector, B vector, C vector are non-coplanar vectors such that x1 A vector plus y1 B vector plus z1 C vector is equals to x2 A plus y2 B vector plus z2 C vector, then prove that x1 is equals to x2, y1 is equals to y2 and z1 is equals to z2. We can write it as x1 minus x2 A vector plus y1 minus y2 B vector plus z1 minus z2 C vector. It is given that A vector, B vector and C vector are non minus x2 is equals to 0, y minus y2, z1 minus z2. So x1 is equals to x2, y1 is equals to y2 and z1 is equals to z2. Now next we will discuss about direction cosines and direction ratios. Let us start with the question. A vector OP vector is inclined at OX at 45 degree, at Y OY 60 degree. Find the angle at which OP vector is inclined to OZ. Suppose that OP vector is inclined at OZ with angle gamma. We know that